Ever wonder how giraffes, those long-necked, silent giants of the savannah, manage to gossip about who's the best looking in the herd without making a peep? Turns out, they've mastered the art of silent communication so well, it puts the best non-verbal human signals to shame. Sorry, side-eye experts. Let's dive into the quiet but hilarious world of giraffe chit-chat. Conservation implications. Protecting the silent communicators. The importance of understanding giraffe communication extends far beyond simple academic curiosity. It plays a vital role in conservation efforts. Giraffe populations have been declining due to habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. Recognizing how they communicate is crucial for creating effective conservation programs. Giraffes rely on vast, open spaces where they can utilize their non-vocal cues, such as body language and visual signals without interference. For instance, noise pollution from urban expansion and vehicles can disrupt their low-frequency communication, making it difficult for them to coordinate within the herd. Conservationists must ensure that giraffe habitats are protected and preserved in a way that supports these natural communication methods, which are vital for their well-being and survival. The social structure. A network of silent interactions. Giraffes have a unique social structure, characterized by its fluidity. Unlike pack animals with rigid hierarchies, giraffes live in open herds that change members frequently. This dynamic social network is maintained without vocalizations, relying instead on subtle interactions. Giraffes communicate their intentions and maintain relationships through synchronized movements, grooming, and shared grazing patterns. For example, a giraffe's approach to another can signal a friendly interaction or a challenge, depending on the posture and speed. These interactions are often mirrored by other members of the herd, creating a ripple effect that influences group behavior. Additionally, giraffes rely on their keen sense of awareness to monitor these silent exchanges, ensuring that the herd remains cohesive and harmonious. By observing these silent cues, giraffes understand their social standing and decide on their interactions without disturbing the peace of the herd or attracting predators. The role of infrasound. Beyond human hearing. Infrasound refers to sound waves with frequencies below the threshold of human hearing, typically below 20 Hz. While research on giraffes and infrasound is still in the early stages, it is hypothesized that these animals may use such low-frequency sounds to communicate over long distances. This form of communication allows them to coordinate movements and maintain awareness of each other, even when separated by hundreds of meters. The potential use of infrasound in giraffes is similar to that observed in elephants, who are known to use infrasound for long-range communication. If confirmed, this capability would underscore the complexity of giraffe communication, providing new insights into how they adapt to their expansive environments to maintain group cohesion and alert each other of potential dangers. Mother-calf bonding. Silent nurturing. The mother-calf bond in giraffes is an exquisite example of silent communication. From the moment a calf is born, often dropping nearly 6 feet to the ground during birth, communication begins without a single sound. Calves must quickly learn to stand and move to avoid attracting predators. A mother uses physical cues like nuzzling, gentle pushes, and positioning her body to direct her calf. This form of tactile communication ensures that the calf understands where to go and when to stay still. When feeding, the mother might lower her head and nudge the calf, signaling that it's time to nurse. This silent nurturing is crucial during the early days when a calf's vulnerability is at its peak. It allows for effective guidance without creating noise that might attract predators. Olfactory messages. The role of scent in communication. Giraffes have scent glands located on their feet, which they use to leave chemical signals as they walk. These scent markers play an essential role in non-vocal communication. They provide information about an individual's identity, territorial boundaries, and reproductive status. For instance, a male giraffe following a female's scent can determine if she is in estrus and ready for mating. Similarly, these scent trails help giraffes identify members of their herd or assess the presence of other males. This form of olfactory communication is subtle and can convey complex messages without making a sound. It ensures that giraffes can communicate even when separated or when visual signals are ineffective, such as during heavy foliage or nighttime. The mystery of the night hums. One of the most recent and fascinating discoveries about giraffe communication is the low-frequency hums they produce at night. These sounds, detected through recordings and research, are often inaudible to humans without specialized equipment. While the purpose of these hums is not yet fully understood, scientists believe they could serve several functions. One theory suggests that nighttime humming allows giraffes to maintain contact with each other when visual communication is difficult. These hums could signal reassurance or help keep the group together during the dark, when giraffes are more vulnerable to predation. The existence of these nocturnal hums challenges the long-held belief that giraffes are mostly silent animals and opens new avenues for studying their behavior and interactions. The subtle art of body posture. Body posture is a significant aspect of giraffe communication. The way a giraffe positions itself can convey different messages, from dominance to submission or calmness to alertness. For example, when a giraffe stands tall with its head high, it signals awareness or dominance to others in the group. This posture is often used when a potential threat is detected, serving as a non-verbal alert to other herd members. Conversely, when a giraffe lowers its head and adopts a relaxed stance, it signals that it feels at ease, content, and unthreatened by its surroundings. These subtle shifts in posture are essential in establishing trust, asserting boundaries, and avoiding conflicts within the group. Giraffes use these body postures to communicate in ways that are easily interpreted by others in their group, allowing them to maintain social harmony without making a sound. The language of the eyes. Visual cues in giraffe interaction. Giraffes have large, expressive eyes that they use for visual communication. Eye contact, combined with head and neck movements, can convey a wide range of messages. For instance, when a giraffe stares directly at another member of the herd or at a predator, it signals alertness and possible danger. This nonverbal warning can prompt other giraffes to be more cautious without requiring any sound. Eye contact is particularly effective in open landscapes, where a giraffe's tall stature provides a panoramic view of the surroundings, allowing them to spot potential threats from a distance. These keen visual cues also help coordinate movements and maintain group cohesion, ensuring that the herd acts as a unified front while avoiding unnecessary attention. This type of visual communication ensures that messages are conveyed silently but clearly, protecting the herd from drawing unwanted attention while staying informed about potential threats. Necking. More than just a display of strength, necking is one of the most dramatic and well-known behaviors in male giraffes, often portrayed as a violent contest. However, necking serves purposes beyond simple displays of strength or fighting for dominance. The force, rhythm, and specific movements during necking communicate much about an individual's status and intentions. Through these contests, giraffes establish a pecking order within the male hierarchy. Interestingly, necking isn't always aggressive. It can also be a way for males to bond and socialize. The intricate maneuvers involved require precision and control, showcasing not just physical strength, but also the animal's ability to engage in complex social communication. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the secret, silent world of giraffe communication, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow animal lovers. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on more wild and fascinating content. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay curious.